Very much looking forward to when things get more busy, but in the meantime, we've got great weather.
Not too busy.
Yeah, not too busy. We've got great weather out there. The dry pattern we've been in will be continuing all the way through the next several days. On Wednesday, and it's funny, it's much like last Wednesday, there's going to be a storm system to our south offshore. And it will spread at least some clouds in, but most of the rain should stay well to our south. And then it's going to be warmest on Thursday. We'll be up near 80 degrees by then. Here are the numbers out there tonight. 60 in Portland, 61 in Bangor. We're at 59 in Freiburg. So it's a fairly mild night. The sky is clear. That remains the case through the night tonight. Could be a little patchy ground fog in the morning. And there's the storm system to our south. That high you see will hold it there for the most part. But some of the clouds you already see approaching Long Island and southern New England will come in here on Wednesday. So overnight tonight, it's a clear sky. We start tomorrow morning with temperatures in the 40s inland and around 50 at the coastline. Sky cover tomorrow, basically the same as today. It'll be clear all day long with afternoon temperatures that get up into the upper 70s inland. May touch 80 in a few spots. 79 in Freiburg, 75 the high tomorrow in Portland, and 72 in Rockland. Tomorrow night, you can see some of those clouds coming up from the south. So Wednesday won't be as bright and sunny, but I still think overall it's a nice September day. The most cloud cover will be in coastal Maine and southern Maine. Some of that cloudiness gets north in the afternoon, and you can see where the weather will be coolest. It's along the coast. Highs there around 70. Up in northern Maine, though, Caribou 78 at 3 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. So the warmest weather will be the farther north, where it takes a little bit longer for that cloud cover to make it in. But I don't think we get any rain from this system. I guess I can't rule out a sprinkle on the coast, but beyond that, there just is not going to be anything to bring that rain in here. And once the storm pulls away, Thursday we'll have a warm day. Highs up around 80. Then this cold front comes through on Friday, but it's really not until Saturday we get into the cooler air associated with it. There could actually be some frost both Saturday morning and Sunday morning with lows in the 30s. This is the rainfall through this time next Monday. Zeros across the board, so really no significant rain in the next 7 or more days. So there's a look at the next 7 days. Inland 77 tomorrow, 74 on Wednesday, right around 80 degrees on Thursday, and then it does turn cooler into the weekend. Notice the low temperatures inland both Saturday and Sunday, probably in the 30s. So if you're thinking ahead to like some golf tee times this weekend, some of those early ones, like the 7 or 8 a.m. tee times, some of those inland golf courses could be a little frost delays until we warm things up. But overall, Bailey, it's just more of what we have been in so far this month. And coming up in a little while, we'll talk about the outlook for the whole rest of the month and how that may play out. So we'll see what that in a little bit.
I saw a sneak peek earlier. It looks like a pretty good month. So
it's going to be a lot of orange on the map for the rest of the month. So
okay.
I'll talk about what that means
We'll
coming
get
up.
to it later.
Yeah.